Hello. So let us start a topic called as limits. In limits, basically we calculate the approximate value of the function at a given point. So suppose that we want to calculate the value of a function at x is equal to a. Then we have two options to approach a, that is either from the left hand side or from the right hand side. So if we approach a from the left hand side, then we will call it as left hand limit. And if we approach a from the right hand side, then it is called right hand limit. So in order to calculate the approximate value of a function at a given point, we can approach either from the left hand side or from the right hand side, and respectively it is called left hand limit and right hand limit. So suppose that the point is a is equal to 1. So we want to approach 1. So we can approach 1 from the left hand side as well as from the right hand side. So suppose that we approach a1 from left hand side, then here a will be equal to 1 and a number just smaller than 1, a number we will take just smaller than 1, then we can suppose that we are approaching from the left hand side and the value of that point will be 0.99999. This number is approximately equal to 1. This number is approximately equal to 1, and we can say we are approaching number 1 from the left hand side. We can also approach this number 1 from the right hand side. In that case, if we are approaching then the number will be 1.000001. So from the graph also we can understand, if we are approaching a point 1, we can approach it from this side, and that point if we will calculate it will be 0.99999, and if we are approaching this point from the right hand side, that point we can take as very close to 1, that is 1.00001. So in this way we calculate the limit of a function at a given point. So let us take some examples to understand this. So the first example which we are considering is the greatest integer function. I hope we have understood about the greatest integer function in the chapter called as function. So we will draw its graph. This greatest integer function is called greatest integer function because it gives the integer in its range. The range of this function is integer. Okay, so let us draw its graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here also we will mark it 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you draw the graph of the function, it will be like this. Clearly it is visible that here is on this branch y is equal to 0, on this branch y is equal to 1, on this branch y is equal to 2, and on this branch y is equal to 3. On this branch y will be equal to 3. So in between 0 to 1, if you are taking x between 0 to 1, the value of the function is 0. If you are taking x between 1 to 2, the value of the function is 1. If you are taking the value from 2 to 3, then the value of the function is 2, and between 3 to 4 Suppose that I am considering the integer point 1. So we will calculate its left hand limit as well as right hand limit at x is equal to 1. So let us calculate left hand limit. Left hand limit is represented as limit x tending to 1 minus. 1 minus means 1 से just छोटा number and that is called left hand limit. So 1 minus greatest integer x. From the graph it is clearly visible that if you take a point just smaller than 1, then the point will be here. This point is here and we will see that which branch of the function is at x less than 1. So this is the branch. This is the branch which is coming out at x just less than 1. So this is the branch which gives y is equal to 0. So x tending to 1 minus greatest integer x will give the value 0. Okay. So let us calculate right hand limit also. Right hand limit means limit x tending to 1 plus greatest integer x. So limit x tending to 1 plus greatest integer x means 1 से just बड़ा number. So we will see that that point will be here. That point will be here. Just greater than 1 point will be here. And on this point, the branch of the function is y is equal to 1. So the right hand limit is coming out to be y is equal to 1. Clearly it is visible that left hand limit of the function at x is equal to 1 is 0. Right hand limit of the function at x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 1 is 1. So the left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So in this case we say that limit of the function does not exist. So at x is equal to 1, limit of the function does not exist. So at this point limit of the function is not existing. Let us check at another integer point, then we will draw some conclusion. So I am running this. So let us calculate limit at x is equal to 2. So we will calculate left hand limit first, x tending to 2 minus. So we will see that when we are taking x tending to 2 minus means 2 से just छोटा नंबर, 2 से just छोटा नंबर यहाँ आएगा और इस पॉइंट पे ग्राफ ऑफ द फंक्शन क्या वैल्यू दे रहा है y is equal to 1. तो इसकी वैल्यू जो आएगी लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एट x is equal to 2 will be y is equal to 1. So the function left hand limit is coming out to be 1. Now we will go for the right hand limit.